How to fix Discord headphone not working. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. Here on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search just for Discord. Where is Discord? Yeah, then go to storage option and click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. The last thing is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.